Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for October 31st, 2017. For the final day of the month of October, high pressure is going to be in control. We're going to have a nice, mostly sunny day, but it will be cooler because high pressure being in this position is going to draw winds in from this direction around it. So we'll have the trough, of course, settling over the region and continuation of the cool temperatures, but the winds will not be a factor like they were yesterday. Still a little breezy, but not too bad. And temperatures will be, in the most part, across most of the area, held in the 50s today. So mostly sunny day, but remaining cool, seasonably cool for this time of year. And then high pressure is going to shift eastward and end up in the Gulf of Maine. At the same time, we're going to have a weak frontal boundary. This is actually a warm front and showers associated with it that are going to try to sneak in here during the afternoon hours on Wednesday. We just have increasing cloudiness for now. Not a lot of precipitation shown here, so you could have a stray shower in the afternoon or evening, maybe into the first part of the overnight, but I don't think this will be an all-day thing or anything like that. The trend has been to speed this up a little bit, so you could get that in as early as the afternoon hours, just a brief shower in the afternoon. So increasing clouds on Wednesday, and with that front moving north of the region. That'll be north of the region here on Thursday. So all this mess will go up into New England, and we'll be on the warm side of this. So instead of being cool like it will be the next couple of days, on Thursday we'll have the warm winds coming in from the south or southwest, both Thursday and Friday. So we'll have a warmer day, much warmer in fact, probably 15 degrees warmer, if not more. And probably looking at mid to upper 60s here on Thursday, and then closing in the 70-degree mark in many places on Friday ahead of the next front. And this frontal boundary will be coming in from the west, and it'll be at least showing signs of organization at first. But this is a look at Friday morning. So we're still off for the west. We're not getting any increase in clouds from this yet. Wind's still coming in from the southwest ahead of the front, so we will be warm again Friday. But look what it does as it comes eastward. It kind of falls apart. So we're allowing for an isolated shower later in the day here on Friday, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. Many areas will stay dry, and we'll just have a dry frontal passage, but a few areas could get into a brief shower with that. But again, not a big deal. Once this front goes through, it does get cooler for the weekend. High pressure is going to be off to our north, and we will have temperatures that are going to go back down into the 50s again. 50s to near 60, it looks like, here over the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Now, we will have this system off to our west. This is going to be an area of low pressure is developing along a frontal boundary. Is another warm front. It'll be a wash, rinse, repeat pattern every 2 days or so. With going back and forth between cool and warm for at least the first week of November, it looks like. So here's the next one that comes in on Saturday night with a few showers along that front, and there is an area of low pressure over the Ohio Valley associated with this. It's a weak area of low pressure, but enough to give some showers. They're going to last into the overnight and into Sunday morning, it looks like. Here's a look at Sunday morning with those scattered showers around. And then that lifts off to the north with the warm front itself, so we will get warmer again on Monday. And here's Monday, looking at the warmth that's going to come in ahead of this next cold front that's off to the west. So you have another day of warmth, probably going up to the mid-upper 60s again here on Monday after a cooler weekend. And then the front drops through here on Tuesday, and then temperatures will get back down to below average temperatures again once we start the second week of November. So this is all drier weather coming in for next week. This is getting beyond our 7-day, but it does look like the cooler weather will prevail once again once we head into beyond Tuesday of next week. So that's basically the pattern here. 2 days of cool, 2 days of warm, 2 days of cool, 2 days of warm, and then finally we're going to get to cool, and this looks like it's going to be several days that it's going to last much of the second week of November with cooler than average temperatures. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is our outlook for October 31st, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.